Check the ripeness on this batch carefully.
This one is ready for the factory.
Handle these with care, everyone. This batch looks absolutely perfect.
Let's get these loaded. Ready for the factory.
Initiating scanning on batch 4.
Welcome to the future of fruit processing. We transform fresh fruit into a pure juice base.
Check the flow rate on Unit 3.
Looks good. We are maintaining premium standards across the board.
Every batch is tested for purity. Only the best juice is approved.
Watermelon juice flows through the Epic factory. Advanced pumps transport the liquid to giant tanks. Modern methods ensure
Tank levels are at 80% and rising steadily. Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal. All systems green down here. Epic factory running smoothly.
the volume on tank 3 is increasing faster than projected. Pressure levels are stable across the board. Looks good. The filling operation is complete.
Excellent, the numbers look perfect.
We processed the entire batch. We're on schedule for the worldwide distribution target. Keep a close eye on the filling levels.
Everything looks good here. The inspection is complete.
The capping mechanism is running smoothly. Looks good. We're ahead of schedule.
That's the last pallet for this shipment. Looks good back here. Everything secure. See you next week.
Batch 45B is complete and passed inspection.
Excellent. Send the confirmation to the floor.
The story begins with fresh watermelons and ends with a fully filled juice tank. Every stage